Spin around to make them gyal a roll out them eyes. Go down there, wine and go down there. Go down there.
To the right, go to the right. This way, this way.
It's our first class. Go there, at the keys right here. Then hide into her feet. Good morning.
Good morning.
Where are we going?
We're going to Jamaica via Miami.
First class business? Welcome.
Priority.
Yes.
I'm just asleep. Let me see.
Hey, I'm supposed to sleep because you didn't go to bed.
Logan. Why you didn't roll the suitcases over, man? Alright, where did you roll them to?
Where am I supposed to?
We gotta go right here.
Labels on them.
Alright, so take this. Take this.
Koyaka, koyaka, kemikalaling, kayaka, kamigala. Oh, this is awesome, guys. I can.
Don't mess with it.
Okay. I'm putting it in front so all of them can see. Yeah. This is so fun. I can do this all day. The camera. There's a camera. Hi. What's up?
No first class today, my friend.
Yes. Look. Okay.
You don't have to run behind him. Yeah. Hello. Do this one. Do this one. This is check-in. This is on luggage. The red one that you have over there is labeled already.
Hey, Dada, look. I'm video camera. Say hi. Logan, say hi. Logan. Hi. Say hi.
I can't do it.
Don't listen to him.
Just push it.
Don't listen to him.
Look, push it in and then just lock this. You just try to get your stuff on. You don't lose it.
Hey, look, Dad is talking to somebody right now. Oof. Say, what's up, Ma? Say, hey, Mommy.
Oh, this big green thing needs to be labeled too.
Hey, say.
What's up?
Huh? Logan, where we are on the way to? This is a redo. This is a redo trip. Set our passports cost us not to go on the trip. Alright, you ready? I'll wait till you. Logan, roll the suitcase. We go here. Right here, this lane. Yes. This one. Come on. Oh, pre-check. Oh, see? I was going in the wrong line.
Yeah.
Ramses, say hi.
Ramses, you're up.
Oh yeah, it's good that he's up now so he could sleep on the plane. Oh, TSA pre-check is empty.
He didn't go to sleep on time.
Empty.
I know, that's the beauty of my
Oh no, sometimes it's packed.
Where the earphones in?
So Sen, what do you want to say?
I want to say that I'm tired.
Okay. You're gonna say good morning. Welcome
Okay.
to our.
Hey guys, like I would say, welcome back to our channel. So it's like 4:30 a.m. and I haven't slept a wink because I have been packing. I don't know. I always feel like I thought I packed because we were supposed to go on this trip a month ago.
Yeah.
And my suitcase was packed, but for some reason I feel like I just repacked and it took me all night. So I'm tired.
Okay, Logan, check this out.
So yeah, so welcome back to
Logan.
my tired life. But anyways, we're going on a trip.
Logan, check this. Let me check the
I'm
lounge
about
and
to get
see.
another flight.
Let me see the lounge because one is right here.
Oh look, that's exactly where I took the picture when I was leaving from Miami. What, 4 days
Logan,
ago?
you want to hold this, Logan? Let me check if I should go to this lounge or the other one.
We have time for the lounge?
Yeah, the flight, isn't it? Oh. Well, you never know. I think it's best to go close.
looks big screen or not.
I think it's best to go close to the open. The flight is good in it.
The camera is on. Say hi.
Hi.
No.
Oh, Satat. Satat.
Say hi.
You're saying hi, no? Say hi, Ramses.
Hi.
Say hi. Say hi to the camera. Say hi to the camera. All right, Satat, you say hi now. You say hi.
Hi. What's up? What's up? Today we're going on a flight to Jamaica, and that's like the best place. So we're here walking the place. We're finding the place that we're supposed to be right now.
Who are you talking to? You're talking to the camera? But you're touring it all around.
Let's go to one at gate 42.
All right.
Because if we stay here,
Yeah, I don't know what we have. I don't know we have a lot of time. Ramsey, say hi.
To a TSA screening checkpoint of an airport.
so we're going
Prohibited
to.
by federal law and
35.
regulations. Please
Logie,
check
say what's up.
carry for firearms before entering.
Who's running ahead? Satai. Ramses, you want to take a little ride on the suitcase? Ooh, that sounds good, Ramses? Ooh, Ramses say, ooh.
Nothing is in that damn bag.
The bag is for sure. Logan's bag is for sure, man. Logie, I brought you some snack. You have snack in your bag already?
I don't.
No? Your charger? Alright, I'm about to.
You know what's a
Understand.
good thing to do at this airport? Get
What?
a wheelchair. And they'll roll you all the way in. This is a long walk. It's a really long walk.
That's not nice. You know that people do that seriously.
Fatai, wait for me.
People do that.
Okay, wait.
People ask for a wheelchair and they are not impaired, and that's not
So
good.
we're going to the Admiral Club. We're not gonna have much
Where are we
time.
going? Okay.
42. We're not gonna have much time in it because the flight is gonna be leaving soon.
Yeah.
Hey, listen to me. No, hold on to me.
This is really steep. You okay, Logie, with those bags? You need the elevator? Come.
You could take this.
You should have taken another bag from him because now he's acting like a little baby. Come, Logie. Oh, Lord. Because he has both bags. That's the thing.
So Logan went to take the elevator because he don't want to come on the escalator with the bags. It's very steep.
Suitcase he has a suitcase and he has my bag, so I understand.
Yeah, but you could have just given it to me. Right, Ramses? I'll give one to Ramses.
You're on that camera and I haven't even looked at my face. Like I'm not wearing and not even lift up.
Well, you must always prepare.
Well,
You must always be prepared for the camera.
don't you still have
Okay.
I didn't even look close. Look at what I'm wearing. I don't even know what I'm wearing.
Okay.
Honestly, I don't even know.
Okay, guys, so we're at JFK Airport and we are going to Terminal. What? We're at Terminal 8, JFK Airport, American Airlines. Traveling to Jamaica via Miami. Stacy, I don't love the connecting flight, but we are because I have points in American Airlines and status on American Airlines. I just keep shopping American Airlines because we get better seats prior to check-in and everything else. So we continue to do it. And Logan is still waiting on the elevator to come.
Oh my God. Let's see if we see him. Oh,
Where we go? I need to go back.
let's sit there. Walking back on the forward
So Ty, this is not a toy. Okay, so now you're gonna take that Logan, huh? Ramses, you wanna get on it? You wanna get on the ride? If you put Ramses down in it, he's gonna be like running.
You wanna walk Ramses? I Ramses right this way.
So Ramses is running. You put him down, and he's a running man.
What did you put him down? He has to
It means you
run.
put him down, he's a runner. I could see him, let me see. I could see him. I could see him.
Ramses.
Ramses is a running man. Alright, Logan, give me that bag. I'm not going to the elevator and wait for you. Give it to me, I'll take it up. Give it to me, I'll take it. I'll take it, because I'm not waiting for you again.
Don't do that again.
Can't take it out.
I can take it, it's fine. So tight, turn around and go. It's simple.
But Ramses is getting ready to step on it tonight.
It's simple. Yeah. Logan, say hi. Logan have a brand new year. Yeah, Logan. Show the people show the people your new thing, Logan. You have a piercing. You have a ear piercing. Look at Logan, your piercing. I wasn't fully approved. I told him to wait one more year. And he went and did it. Oh no, Logan. Oh no, you're gonna get punished. You're not gonna get the other one until you're 25.
I'll get a nice one.
25? No way. You crazy? No. No, you disobeyed me. I told you to wait. You asked me last year and I said no, one more year.
You said, okay, one more year.
I said one more year, yes. I said one more year. But when I say one more year, you have to listen to me. You have to ask me, and then I approve the one more year. Satai.
It's too late. I already did it before.
All right, roll this, man. Set this back every time. Okay, so we're trying to go to the lounge because we haven't slept all night. So all night we haven't slept all night.
See what my face looks like.
No sleeping all night. You know, you look good for somebody that hasn't slept for 24 hours.
Well, thank you, baby.
Okay. Oh, no, if I should take that back.
What? You want to take it back? You should have said. Because
No.
I didn't ask you for it.
I don't like how you was enthusiastically like, oh, thank you, baby. You know, you should be like, oh, thank you, baby.
Okay.
You know?
Next time I say, you know what?
Sometimes set
Next
this
time
for
I'll
the
be
place.
like, whatever.
Yeah, it should be like,
I'll say whatever next time.
you should make it be like it's Satai. Like it's nonchalant. Like you should be like nonchalant about it. It should be like, okay.
Listen,
Okay,
like I
what's
said,
next?
I just took a shower and ran out.
Logan.
You know what I put on my face?
No.
My body oil. I oil my foot, and I rub my hands over my face
Okay.
because I packed everything and I just like
Is that the new beauty regimen?
yeah.
Okay.
rub the what left the oil from your foot on your face.
Okay.
Oh. No, I'll do better later.
So we could go to the Admiral Club and grab like a quick little snack and then
What time is it? 4 freaking, what, 45 or something?
yeah, we're not gonna have much time
Oh, what kind of snack you're gonna have at this
because we bought in from what gate 35, so we have to walk to 42.
Is it even open at this time?
It's open at 4 o'clock, station.
Open at 4, okay.
Yes, it's open at 4 o'clock. So we're going to the Admiral's
Are we
Club.
going up or down?
We don't have a lot of time, so quick grab, quick bite.
Is this everybody? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah.
So you can buy us to come Ramses?
Stop doing that.
Ramses not big enough for you to count him?
Ramses.
1, 2, 3, 4.
There's a mirror. There's a mirror on top. Look.
Oh.
Look, I love the Admiral Club.
I did not know
Look at him.
I know that.
Okay, face. How are you gonna know when you're not a member?
They have the
What is that? I'm sorry, what did you say?
No,
cereal.
you're a
I
member.
really want to be like that.
You're a member. I'm just messing with you. Oh, the Admiral Club is empty.
You really want to embarrass yourself.
It's empty. Oh,
Get Ramses some eggs.
it is so empty up in here. We could sit wherever we want to sit. Do what?
Okay, it has to be empty because it's 5. What is it? 4:30 now.
It's 5 o'clock.
5 o'clock. So it must
Yeah.
be empty. Who's traveling?
Yeah, it's
Now
empty.
can I eat the Skittles?
No,
So
you cannot eat the
empty.
Skittles now. You can have something here to eat if you want. Ramses, you
Alright,
want some eggs?
let's go find something to eat.
Wait for me.
Stacey, we don't have much time.
I don't know.
So Logan, grab something. We don't have much time.
We can probably get something.
Oh, Logan, I mean,
Is one Miami too?
bacon. Yeah.
Miami.
Yes. I'll take a bagel. These bagels are not the greatest, but I'll take this.
You want some tea?
This one. I'll take the whole wheat bagel. And
I would love to have some
toast.
of those eggs.
It's a cracky bagel.
I would
Satai,
never eat
Satai.
Some eggs in here for Sir Ramses. You may not.
I don't want to shout it from it.
Get a plate for me too.
What do you want in the
Oh,
plate?
I can do it. I can actually
Only have bacon and eggs. Logan is having that. Shredded. Oh, I could have some oatmeal.
bacon.
I'll have some oatmeal as well. Stacey, and
Wait, that's enough. That's enough.
Wait,
Wait.
this one? I think that's enough.
let your mom do it for you.
I can do it.
No, that's too much.
That's too
Stacey, and that's too much.
Wait.
So we landed in Miami, Admiral Club in Miami, much busier. We don't have much time, so we're gonna be in and out of here in like 20 minutes. I'm just sleeping.
Have cereal.
Satai is eating. I have some mango. I have flax, avocado, and tomato. And Logan is getting bacon. But this is a much fuller Admiral Club. It always is. This is a flagship one, so it's always packed. I guess Stacey and is eating much more food now. Bacon. You know, I noticed. I noticed. Oh, Leah, I have to send Leah some money. Okay. Oh, if you have to do it here. And nails to go back to college, to go to college. Yeah. Running as usual. Leaving the Admiral Club. Oh, let's get this one.
Okay.
Do we have some?
Concourse.
Have our own family.
Yeah.
Somebody in here may have 2 people. And we're 4 people.
All right, go on.
We're 4?
Yes, that's right. Oh, thank you so much. Come on. We're going to 23. 23. Okay, yeah. Come. Satai, stop running. You can't have energy. You have to have energy to listen. But you have to have energy to listen. Right, Logan?
Your Beyonce's son, energy.
Right, Logs? Okay. Okay, so we're catching our final flight to JAA. So we're at the Miami International Airport. Welcome to Jamaica, Logan. You gonna drink some jelly water? Huh? What are you gonna drink? Huh? You gonna drink some jelly? Some coconut water? What you looking forward to? Huh? What you looking forward to in Jamaica? Huh? That's it? You're not looking forward to anything? You're not looking forward to anything? Satai, what you looking forward to?
Huh?
What you looking forward to see? Grandfather?
Yes.
What else?
The one.
Huh? You want to see some goats? KFC?
Yeah.
That's what you go to Jamaica for?
Said I had KFC in New York 3 times now in his life. 3 times. And he's for some reason upset.
You're coming to see get KFC Satai?
What about the beach? You still looking forward to the beach?
Yeah.
The time that I've been here before? Yeah. Tell Dada, what else you looking forward to?
You can't come in here anyway. So. Waiting for rent a car. For some reason, I didn't book my rent a car. I don't know. I just can't find the email in which company I booked the rent a car with. So now we have to be waiting. Ramsey's running, Satai running, getting some exercise in. Go on. Go that way. Go to mommy. No. Go to mommy. Logan is taking a nap. Stacey is tired. Alright, that's enough. Alright, that's enough now. That's enough, come. That's enough. You want ears? Yeah? Logan struggling with the suitcase. Falling off?
No, I don't just. slippery and I said,
Yeah, the worst one. The worst
yeah,
suitcase.
man, the German on the corner.
Stacy and struggling.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, these are the worst
Get them
suitcases.
together. Don't worry.
Yeah, these are the worst suitcases
Yeah, man,
to
you
do.
can't have a long man.
Oh, trust me, I know that.
Keep going.
Yeah. Finally, we have a rental car. So, sit
No,
tight.
don't stop here. Don't stop here.
Walk behind me.
Yeah, walk behind that. This is the car.
Yeah, a lot of cars parked right here. Sit tight. Rent a car time.
Go, 9%.
Well, you say you're gonna let it make it fit, so you're gonna see. Oh, you gonna see it. This is the one, right?
Yeah, bro, just kind of put on the front. And take our green bag.
I think it could fit. You know, bro. Well, I believe you, know, bro.
Yeah, man.
I believe you. I think it could fit. Yeah, this truck look nice. Looks solid.
Oh Lord, finally.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I think bro know how to part this. I think it's gonna work. Well, let's
Hold on, okay. Whoa.
So we have the rental car and we are going.
Out of here.
We out of here.
Yeah.
You know, we'll be traveling from
Bye
like
bye airport.
yeah, Baba Airport. We'll be traveling from like what? Well, our flight this one was 6 o'clock, and then we left like 4 or 3.
6.
Yes.
This time we're driving.
And for who's watching us that are not Jamaican,
This time.
the
Wait, Dada,
Jamaican
can I
drive
talk?
on the other side of the road.
Dada, could I talk?
So
Dada, could I talk?
you have to be careful when you come to the airport, because the first place you'll be to the accident is like close to the airport, because
Dada, could I talk?
you don't know exactly what the road is and where to drive. Yes, Tata, you can
Is
talk.
that peanuts?
No, that's the.
Oh yeah. This time we're driving, not flying. Yeah. Not flying.
Okay, you feel better driving and not flying?
Yeah.
Okay.
Tell us why you feel better driving and not flying.
Well, because
Let's sit I tell them why you feel better driving.
what I feel good is not flying on the plane.
Feel better not flying?
Yeah, I
feel-
feel better not flying on the plane. I don't want to fly on the plane because my ears are gonna pop and hurt.
This is a familiar
That's why I
setup,
will
right?
drive.
I'm driving, Seta is in the middle, Stacy in the front, but now Logan is in the front sleeping. He's tired. Stacy is in the back. Ramses is in the back.
Side out.
I can't see your camera.
You can see? Can you see now?
Yeah, it's kind of dark.
Yeah, it's a little, seem like a little blurry.
Put
Seem a little blurry.
This one helps the time.
Yeah, but it's a familiar setting, familiar setup. Only this time we're driving on the other side of the road. But
And I'm in the back because we don't have a car.
but the good thing about it, I'll also have a Jamaican driver's license where I pass a driver's test in Jamaica, where I know where to drive on the road and stuff like that. And when I go to other countries, I drive as well, so I'm pretty versed in driving on both sides of the road. So it's not terribly complicated for me. Oh, Stacey had as well, because you drove on both sides of the road as well. So
We're driving here.
so you're pretty cool driving. So now we're on the airport road, leaving the airport road, and we're going to Harborview section. And thought Logan wants something to eat, but he's sleeping, so we might just go straight to one of the business places that we have here, just to go surprise him, because nobody know we're coming. So we might just go and just do a pop up on them and see their reaction. Then from there probably go see my parents. But yeah, so we'll check back in periodically. to see where we're at. But this is our first day in Jamaica. Just landed. Well, we landed a couple hours ago. Waited for a rent a car. Have a rent a car now, and on our way. So, Satai say, see you later.
See you later. See you later.
Yeah.
I don't like it when you can't.
Stop saying that, Satai. That's not nice.
The bird can swim but cannot fly. Do you see who's waddling by? Whitelist bird?
I don't like it.
You can't say that, Satai.
But he didn't let me touch it.
Yeah, but he's a baby.
It looks like Ramses, it's a penguin. Alright, turn the page. Let me read the other page for you. Or you just like the penguin page?
Can I read it? Yeah.
So stop. Who lives on the ice floe, Ramses? Sliding on the ice and snow, black and white its feathers grow. This bird can swim but cannot fly. Do you see who's waddling by, Ramses and Satai? Who's waddling by? Satai's not answering because he's upset. It is what is that, Ramses?
So this is a southern coastal highway in St. Thomas, and the road is still a work in progress. Part of the road is like semi-finished. The part from Harborview to Bull Bay semi-finished. You get a smooth ride on it, but this one is dragging on and on and on and on for years. I think it's like 4 years now they're working on it, and it's still, as we know, has gotten nowhere. So it's going to be a while before this road ever gets smooth. It's just so bumpy and rocky coming in. You get whiplash driving in this section of the road. It used to be like that for the entire length from Harborview to, say, Morant Bay, but now it's a little bit better in the Bull Bay region because it's a brand new road that they put up. And I don't know what the Roselle to Morant Bay one look like, but this one is pretty rough because now we're just leaving Yalis and then going to Pomfret, and it's like crazy rocky. And you could see that they recently dug up the asphalt that was on it, and now it's basically some concrete, and not concrete, but it's just some residual asphalt and just dirt mall that's on this one. So it's really rocky road. Cars have to be driving gingerly. You know, Jamaicans are not known to drive slow at all. So, you know, it's hurt them now the way that this road is. It's just crazy. Everybody in the car is sleeping. Every single one.
Alright, I'm up now, man.
Okay, I stay still. I had the same condition as all of you guys.
You step a little bit on the last leg.
Yeah, but I had Ramses, so what was preventing you from sleeping? Because I had him, and he was sleeping. So you couldn't say that. So you couldn't say, okay, I mean Ramses was a.
And I was trying to like watch,
protect who?
anything. In case he fall out your lap.
Oh, he's gonna fall. He's gonna fall up my lap. He's gonna fall up my lap when I have.
It's just like, you know, being extra.
As a baby, they all slept on my stomach in the bed, and I put pillow around them. They can't fall
you're
up.
in the bed and you put pillow. You're in the airplane at the end, in the passage, so I have to watch.
No, when I have the kids, I stop my hand through their clothes. So if they fall off, my clothes, I'm gonna grab them, so they're not gonna fall off.
Yeah, but you're independent.
He was like stuck to me. He was like a glue.
Still, I didn't trust him.
So that was your reason for not taking us in.
That's my reason for not sleeping.
Okay, all right, I accept.
Yeah.
Okay, I accept.
Watch my bag.
Yes. The road is crazy bad. Well, we're running to a better stretch of road now. Where we at? We at Pomfret now. This is a better stretch. Still not complete, but at least you could drive on this without bumping up and down and up and down. Much better. Oh wow, a lot of houses are being made here. This is nice. They raised the road because this used to be so bumpy, even when it was had asphalt on it. So this is really nice. Nice section of Pomfret. So you could see it's a fresh road, but the line is not in it as yet. The white line is not in the road as yet, so still bumpy.
Sit on your
That's
trip.
enough videos.